Ceremonies are to be staged around the world to mark 1 year since more than about 200 women were abducted by the Nigerian militant Islamist group Boko Haram. A procession is being held in the capital Abuja with 219 girls taking part to represent each missing girl. The abduction of the girls in Chibok in northeastern Nigeria sparked global outrage, with nations such as the US and China promising to help find them. There have been sightings of the girls reported, but none has been found. Boko Haram say the girls have converted to Islam and been married off. The 6-year Boko Haram insurgency in the north has left thousands dead. Nigeria's militant Islamist group Boko Haram, which has caused havoc in Africa's most populous country through a wave of bombings, assassinations, and abductions, is fighting to overthrow the government and create an Islamic state. Boko Haram promotes a version of Islam which makes it haram or forbidden for Muslims to take part in any political or social activity associated with Western society. This includes voting in elections, wearing shirts and trousers, or receiving a secular education. Boko Haram regards the Nigerian state as being run by non-believers even when the country had a Muslim president, and it has extended its military campaign by targeting neighboring states. It has a fight force of thousands of men and cells that specialize in bombings. Through its raids on military bases and banks, it has gained control of vast amounts of weapons and money. Nigeria's incoming president, Muhammadu Buhari, said his government would do everything in powers to bring back the girls. But he also said he cannot promise that he might find all the girls. Let's hope that the girls reach back home safely. This is Satvik with cameraman Dhanush reporting for News for New Generation.